Hello. Um, so sabi nga nila, um, time is your most valuable asset. And for some traders like me, which are mostly hindi full-time, we are trying to maximize sa available time na meron tayo to trade and to focus on our job and to manage our personal things. So, I was thinking of ways and means kung paano ko ma-share yung mga trade review, uh, trade idea na meron tayo before natin ma-execute and after ma-execute yung trade na ginagawa ko for every market. So, one thing I was thinking is why not use the mobile phone instead of the laptop. So this means that I will have the opportunity to record myself and the trade idea behind using the mobile application version of that platform na ginagamit natin. So this is a test on doing that in an attempt to save more time but still giving the audience of RAFX followers to have an idea on how we are trading different market uh, that that we focused on. So again, if you will remember, I am focusing to trade on Philippine market, the US stocks, commodities, and foreign exchange. So the effort that I'm having or giving to it to um, edit the video, to prepare the materials is quite uh, um, extensive. So kumbaga maraming oras yung ginugugol doon and sometimes hindi tayo nakakagawa ng content because syempre nga hindi naman tayo full time and we have a family that still needs our attention, and then we have the time to analyze the market, to prepare the position size to complete them. So kumbaga marami tayong preparation na ginagawa. And then after a trade has been made, if it's a loss or a win, we prepare the uh, the the chart and the levels na ginagawa natin on the prices na nakuha natin yung trade. So kumbaga yung buong trade bago nung pinasok natin siya. And then after that, gumagawa din tayo ng trade review. However, yun nga ang nagiging issue sa akin is yung time. But still I wanted to of course share with you or to the followers of my pages. And of course, this is for my personal consumption also na in the long run, ito yung pinagdaanan ko at this point. So, kumbaga, way of journaling my trades. So, let's do this one as an example. Let me check if this would still work. Okay. So, this one is a trade that I made for Ethereum. If you will notice, this one is under the time frame of 1 hour. And by looking at the I usually my trade my short-term trades is actually based on 1 hour time frame. So if I see kung meron tayong makikitang setup on the lower time frame, aakyat ako sa daily time frame and see if na merong confluence ang dalawa. So by that I mean na kung sa 1 hour chart dito, pag nakita natin na uptrend siya and yung setup na nakikita natin is okay naman, so I go to the daily time frame and titingnan ko rin kung uptrend pa rin siya and check for some of the levels Then I mark it for the entry, the support, and the stop loss, and also the take profit. So by that, kagabi, nakita ko yung ating Ethereum is moving into the 200 moving average, which is yung nakikita nyong white na line. That's the moving average natin. And since naandun siya, I was thinking that it's a very good area of value. So nilagay ko yung green horizontal line para makita natin yung ating that's the mark of our entry point, and then the 3618.47 is the support na ginamit ko. So from that support, yan yung base, yan yung support base na pagbabasihan natin para makompute natin yung ating stop loss. So in that regard, once na meron na tayo, in the future papakita ko yung how I compute my stop losses, but I think I also shared that in one of my Philippine stock trade review. So that's the same Excel that I use in order for me to get the stop loss area using the average true range indicator. So na-set up na natin yung ating entry price, yung ating support, and then yung ating stop loss, and also the take profit. But so after a few hours, my buy limit order has been hit. So meaning na-trigger na or naging active na yung ating trade. And then yeah, overnight, so when I checked this morning, so okay naman yung position natin. But if you take a look on that take profit and yung red na down arrow, that means that I executed my close trade execution to make the profit or to close that trade. So bakit ko I decided to close this one? So if you will notice on that blue candle, that one, so that means that it is showing a price rejection on the resistance level, and confirmed on the so that's why on the next candle I decided to take a profit, because this may lead to a pullback. So one other consideration that I made is, if you will notice on the RAFX or the RAFX confirmation, medyo pababa na rin yung green na moving average natin. So that may close or cross to the red moving average, that may indicate a confirmation on the reversal. So yeah, I took a profit on this one, but again, after closing that one, I still believe that the 3,713 price is still a good price to re-enter. So I send, or I made another limit order with the same setup. So tingnan natin later kung magagawa pa siya or mahihit ba siya ulit. Okay, so that's the price or that's the trade setup that I made for Ethereum last night, and to profit early this morning. So hopefully using this strategy, I could save some time to log my trade and to share it with the RAFX followers. And yeah, let me know if this is okay, kung okay lang ba yung log natin and yung pag-share natin ng ating trade. So again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.